Today is day 10 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Now it is Friday, so in the weekends we're going to maintain our habits, which are shining our sink in the evening, picking out our clothes, telling ourselves some kind words, and a 2-minute hot spot. And in the morning, we're going to be dressing to shoes, telling ourselves some more kind words, and now we are doing our room rescue. Today, we're going to take 15 minutes and see if we have any trash in our homes, and we're going to put it in a trash bag. And after that, we're going to take 15 minutes to rest. Now, if you have no trash around your home, then congratulations, you just won another 15 minutes of rest, making it a total of 30 minutes. If you're a mom, I know this might be difficult, but if your children still nap, then do it at this time. Otherwise, have them play independently and you might have to split up these 15-minute blocks. But be sure you're getting that today. And moving forward, we are going to add 15-minute rest. Put it wherever you feel comfortable on the Principle, which by the way is free and linked down below, whether the morning or whether the evening. Be sure that you are making time to at least get 15 minutes of rest every single day. 15 minutes is the absolute minimum. So go ahead and jot that down on your routines. And I'll see you Monday for day 11 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.